Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is AZILAH binti BAKAR and I work as a technical analyst at RHB Bank. And today I would like to present about Handal Energy Berhad, or we can call as Handal Resources Berhad. Next, the introduction. This company is an investment holding company which provides crane services in Malaysia, or also as oil and exploration services in Kuala Lumpur. This company provides overhaul and maintenance, manufactures and fabricate offshore, crane rental for work uplifting projects, as well as other services such as manpower and parts. In this chart, I use moving average envelope, rate of change, stochastic, and MACD. For for moving average, we can see the line for moving average is cross the price line from below. It means this is a bullish market for the investor to buy stock at this moment. This cross also we call as golden cross because the price movement is slow and shows a downtrend price. And next is the support and resistance, where at first from support 1 RM0.215 breaks at resistance to 0.285 due to some reason, such as the selling price is increased, also followed with the selling interest. Next is the support 2 RM0.25 move to resistance 1 RM0.225. This price is increasing, so the investor can sell the stock and shows a good strength of movement. Next is the moving average of envelope. For this moving average, where in the early January the price line crossed the upper band at here. The price is crossed the upper band and shows a overbought. So it shows a signal for investor to sell the product to gain profit because the price and volume is increased at the same time. In the future, investor can continue to buy since the price line is getting lower and followed with the volume. Next is the rate of change. If the rate of change line is around the zero line, so the investor can take action to consolidate market or to hold the stock. If from below to above the zero line, so the investor can sell their stock, and from above to below the zero line, the investor can buy the the stocks. Okay, from here at month of November, the investor can sell the stock because we can see the ROC line is from the below cross the zero line. So this is a good sign for investor to sell the stock. In the middle of December, the rate of change line is too far from the zero. This shows a strong momentum for price move in the market. And in the end of December, the rate of change line is from above and cross the zero line, shows a buy signal for investor at this moment. In the future, the rate of change is from the below, so it means that the investors can sell the stock when the rate of change line is moving upward above zero line. Next is the stochastic. In the middle of December, there is an overbought signal because the line is above 80%. It means investor can sell more stock to gain more profit. But in early January at here, the line dropping below to 20%, which means this is a sign to buy stock. In future, investor can hold their stock because the stochastic line is around 50%, which means investor must take action to hold their stock until it moves to above 80% line. Okay, lastly is MACD, where end of December shows the sell signal because the line crossed MACD signal. We can see from below, and shows a higher longer downtrend, which means a bearish market for investors to take action for sell their stocks from handle. The histogram in January shows a higher low at this point, a higher low uptrend, which means a bullish market, so investor can buy more stock from handle, since investor can use histogram to predict changes trend in future. Next is the news where Handal Energy intend to raise 11.13 million via private placement to repay borrowing and collecting funds working capital for the company itself. So they set a decreasing price for investor buy more stock from them. That's all from me. Thank you.